Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create gold text effect in Canva, easy Canva gold text tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, you need to make sure that you're onto the editing page already. So I've chosen the template for logo in here, and right after that, we'll need to go ahead and head here on elements and try to search for a gold background that we could use. Just simply type in gold in here, click on to enter, and here under photos, you should be able to see different gold options that we could use. So for example, this one. So I like the glitters or the sparkles onto the specific gold photo. So let's simply go ahead and add that one here onto our editing page. Right after that, here onto the left side, you'll just need to scroll down until you find in apps. So you need to go ahead and make sure to search in here, font frame. Click onto enter and you should be able to find in this specific app. So we're going to use this one. Click onto that and click on to open. So right after this, there should be an option for us to type in a text that we could use so that we could go ahead and type in here our message. So for example, we're going to type in here gold. Right after that, you need to go ahead and choose an image in here that we're gonna use as an effect or a background of our gold in here. So we're gonna select this image that we have added earlier. Right after, click on the use selected image in here to go ahead and add that. So once you have selected that one already, click on to add to design. And as you can see, it should go ahead and look something like this. We could also try to update the settings for this, like go ahead and remove the outline for that. And you could also adjust the letter spacing, line spacing, and just click on to add to design. So we're going to go ahead and remove the background already in here. And here are the comparisons of the two gold text that we have recently added using the photo earlier. And that is just basically it, how to add gold text effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.